Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be showing you guys a simple eyebrow tutorial on sculpting your eyebrows. Okay you guys, so all I'm doing is using Embark eyeshadow to fill in the eyebrows. I'm using a regular angle brush to fill in the eyebrows. I try to add enough product on both eyebrows so when it comes to sculpting the eyebrows, they're thick enough. After filling in the eyebrows, I'm using the MAC Cosmetic 242 brush to sculpt it. I'm using a lighter foundation called Matchmaster 5.0, but you can use concealer or foundation to sculpt your eyebrows, liquid or cream. As you can see, I did my bottom area first, and after that, I worked my way up to the top to do both areas at the same time to make sure the eyebrows are even. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so you could try your best to make your eyebrows as even as possible. If not, you might end up with sisters. Now, to cover up her concealer, I'll be using Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Truly Topaz and Honey. For underneath her eyebrow, I mix Truly Topaz and Honey to get closer to her skin tone as possible. Now for above her eyebrows, I'll be using Nutmeg to cover up her concealer. That shade is closer to her forehead's shade. So it's much easier to blend down. Now I'm doing the same process on the other eye. I'm mixing Nutmeg and Truly Topaz to get underneath her eyebrow color. Then I'll be using just Nutmeg for above her eyebrows. I will list all the brushes that I use for my eyebrows in the description box. Now to thin out the beginning of her eyebrows, I do this thing where I shade both sides of the eyebrows towards each other to give it that fade effect. Then I'll wipe it off with my finger. And here you have it, eyebrows. Another way to tone down the halo around the eyebrows, you could use your own foundation or you could just use a crease brush and just thin it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell.